Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome back to another Stamp Club reveal. This one is for April of 2023 and it is our Scripture Stamp of the Month Club. I'm so excited to show you this one. One reason I'm really excited is because of how useful this set's going to be. You're going to really like it because if you're someone who struggles with like masculine card ideas or something that's not just quite as floral or feminine or things like that, I think you'll really find a lot of use for this one. Now, if you're not a member of our Stamp Club, what you waiting on? It's super fun. It's very affordable. It's only $11.99 a month if you're in the U.S., $13.49 if you're outside the U.S. You also, as a club member, get a 15% discount on most items in our store every day. And you can sign up by checking the link in the description below. Super easy. And every month you get a brand new, never before seen, designed for you stamp set in the mail. All right, you ready? Here we go. I want to show you Magnify Him. Look how cute this is. I love this. So a few months ago, I saw some artwork. It might have been a picture on a wall or something that used a magnifying glass and a scripture. And I thought, we've never done that. That's a cute idea. And y'all know I like to try to do kind of modern things. And I thought that would be cute to take that magnifying glass and mix it with some of the wonderful scriptures that go with magnifying God. And while we did that, Sylvie was like, well, you know what? We could also mix seek with this because you're kind of looking for something through the magnifying glass. And she was exactly right. And I think we got this one like we like it. You know what I'm saying? We nailed it. We dialed it in. And I think you're going to like it too. So what do you get on the set? You get a telescope. Isn't that the cutest thing? I can see this used for all kinds of cards, for guys and boys and anybody in between. And then this magnifying glass, which is my favorite thing on the set. Well, my second favorite because those are here, but that's my favorite thing on the set. And then the tiny magnifying glass, which I think is so cute. The little glasses and then the full-size glasses here. And I'll tell you about these little pieces. What Sylvia does, if you look at her project sheets on our product page on MaymayMadeIt.com, she uses these whenever she puts her sentiments in. She'll kind of mix these around her sentiments. And I think that's so cute. I love that she adds those in. Now, let's look at the scriptures. If you look up here, you've got, be thou my vision, O Lord of my heart. O magnify the Lord with me. Let all those that seek thee rejoice and be glad in thee. Let the Lord be magnified. And then over here in smaller ones, you've got magnify him together and seek the Lord. These two fit in your magnifying glass, which I love. You want to see samples, right? Oh, there's a star too. Don't forget the star. And you got little ones right here. All right, so let me show you the samples we did. Now, I stepped way outside my comfort zone, and Shannon asked me why I was taking her colors, because that's exactly what I did. I took her colors. Look, I did green and brown. This was just in my head, and it's what I wanted to accomplish here. Let me show you. So I stamped the magnifying glass on a piece of craft colored cardstock. Then I punched a hole out of it. And can you see, let me get the glare to show you. There it goes. See that little glare? I added a little acetate in there and did a little bit of dimension and stamped inside of there. I did not make it a shaker. You totally could. I was just 1 or 2 steps away from that. But the reason I didn't is I didn't want to hide any of the sentiment inside. So that's my little magnifying glass card there. I thought this was really cute. And on the inside, I did what I was telling you that Sylvia does. I think it is so cute when you stamp one of the little scriptures or the sentiments and add those little miniature images. I think that is so cute together. So there's my first sample. I also want to tell you that Shannon and I are trying very hard to film our processes for you guys. So watch for those to be shorts on our YouTube channel. So you'll be able to see this done kind of in fast motion and see how it works. So look for those coming out in the next few days. That's mine. Let's look at Shannon's. And here you go. You can see I stole her colors. Look how, I really didn't do brown and craft, but pretty close. But look how cute this is. What I love is how graphic her colors are. They're in the same family, but she went with 3 tones, and I think that works really cool together. Also, that little telescope is so cute on the angle. And look here, I want you to see. Of course, you'll see this in her video, but see the layers that she did to give you all that movement in this card? I just love it. And the inside is blank, so you can use it for whatever, but look how cute that is. Love that. And my last one, which I think was super fun, and I had a lot of fun doing this one. You can see all that heat embossing I did, and look, it's got a little bit of texture. But if, by the way, you don't enjoy that texture, just do it twice. I just did it once, but you could go back over it and get rid of some of that. But look at that. Isn't that cute with the little shades and their little shimmer? I think that's precious. And this one says, "Be thou my vision, O Lord of my heart." I have always wanted to do one with the glasses going down like this, and I haven't done one like that where I actually cut the pieces out and pop them up, and that's what we did here. I hope you enjoy these samples. I think they turned out really cute. They're very different from each other, you know. That's one thing I like too, is all the different processes. So again, watch for the short videos, and when I say shorts, on YouTube now there's an offering called Shorts, and those are just videos we can offer in a faster, smaller format, and they're usually vertical. So you'll be able to see each one of these has a little short coming for you, so you can see how to put them together. That's Stamp Club this month. I think it is so cute. I cannot wait to see what you're going to do with it. And let me tell you, if you need inspiration, more than just our samples, if you need inspiration, head to our website, maymaymadeit.com. Click on Customer Gallery or just Gallery and look at what you guys are doing. It's like our very own Pinterest over there. You will not believe the images. They are so incredible for you to get inspired. And they're using our actual products. So if you have this, just give it a little bit of time, and everybody that's making cards with this will post over there. And if you make something with this stamp set and you post it over there, you're entered into a drawing for a $50 gift card we give away every month. So look in the description of this video to see if you were the winner last month. And that is it, guys. I think it is so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as we did making these samples. And until next time, bye now.